Namaskara ellarigu Yashaswi Vaani YouTube channel ge swagata. And today we are going to do the exercise for naanu mathu huinchimara from 5th standard Siri Kannada textbook. And if you have not yet watched the video lesson for this, I leave the link here. Please do watch the video lesson first, then come to the exercise part. So before starting with the exercise, I request you all to take out your textbook, pencil tagoli, eraser tagoli, sit in a silent place, quiet place. We'll start with the exercise. So in the exercise, first we have a padagala artha. So while doing the lesson itself, I have finished the padagala artha. So I won't be doing the padagala artha here. Okay na? So but still, if you have any doubts regarding any words, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you with the explanation. Next after padagala artha, and most importantly makla, please remember that I will give the meaning for the questions here, but I won't give you the exact answer. You have to find out the answer. So that's why it's very important for you to understand the video lesson first. First ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರಿಸಿ. Answer the below questions. ಹುಂಚಿ ಹೂವು ತಿನ್ನುವುದರಿಂದ, by eating ಹುಂಚಿ ಹೂವು, ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳು, the teeth ಏನಾಗುತ್ತವೆ? What will the teeth will happen by eating ಹುಂಚಿ ಹೂವು? Okay, so what is huinchimara basically? It's a tamarind tree, alva? Yes. Dore hunase ಎಂದರೇನು? What is the meaning of a dore hunase? So for this meaning, you have to find out dore hunase. What is a dore hunase? So it is there in the padagala artha itself. Okay, you have to just find out where is the padagala artha, write down the answer. So how do you write is dore hunase ಎಂದರೆ? Then continue. Okay. ಹುಂಚಿ ಮರದ ಟೊಂಗೆಗಳು. ಟೊಂಗೆ is a branch. ಹುಂಚಿ ಮರದ branch ಹಿಡಿದು, by holding, ಹುಡುಗಿಯರು, the girls ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ರು? What were the girls doing by holding the ಟೊಂಗೆ of ಹುಂಚಿ ಮರ? ಹುಂಚಿ ಮರದ ಬಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ನಿಯರ್ ಹುಂಚಿ ಮರ, ಬಳಿ ಹತ್ತಿರ means near. Okay, ಹಬ್ಬದ ವಾತಾವರಣವಿರಲು. ಹಬ್ಬ is a festival, ವಾತಾವರಣ is an environment. There was a festival environment that is created near the ಹುಂಚಿ ಮರ. ಯಾರು ಕಾರಣವಾದರು? So who was the reason behind this celebration, kind of a thing? ಮೂಢನಂಬಿಕೆಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬಲಿಯಾಗಿತ್ತು? ಮೂಢನಂಬಿಕೆ is a blind belief. Okay, so what was sacrificed? Bali is a sacrifice. So what was sacrificed because of a ಮೂಢನಂಬಿಕೆ? Okay, next one. ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ 2-3 ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರಿಸಿ. ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ is a below questions. 2-3 ವಾಕ್ಯ is a 2 to 3 sentence ಅಲ್ಲಿ you have to answer it. ಡೋರೆ ಹುಣಸೆಯು ಒಂದು ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ರುಚಿಯ ಹಣ್ಣು. ಡೋರೆ ಹುಣಸೆ is a peculiar, special kind of a tasty fruit. ವಿವರಿಸಿ. Explain this. How? You have to explain this. Next, ಲೇಖಕರ ಮತ್ತು ಹುಂಚಿ ಮರದ ನಡುವಿನ ಸಂಬಂಧ ವಿವರಿಸಿ. ಲೇಖಕ is the author. ಹುಂಚಿ ಮರ, we know that. ನಡುವಿನ, in between them, ಸಂಬಂಧ, the relation between the tree and the author. So ಅದನ್ನ you have to explain it. Okay, next. ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಸ್ಥಳ ತುಂಬಿರಿ, that means fill up the blanks. So please read the sentences, find out the answer from the lesson and fill up this one. Okay, so I'll leave this one for you. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿ ಸ್ವಂತ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಸೊ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಪದವನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿ, ಯೂಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ವಂತ ವಾಕ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ದ ಓನ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ದ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಜೋಕಾಲಿ, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್. ಹತ್ತಿರ ಇಸ್ ಅ ನಿಯರ್. ವಾಸ ಮಾಡು, ಟು ಲೀವ್. ಹಲವಾರು, ಮೆನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ the exercise for naanu mattu huinchimara. I hope you have understood. Doubt idre please do let me know. Share this video with your friends who are struggling to understand the lesson, and do not forget to check out the playlist to 5th standard Siri Kannada. All the lesson and poem has been completed and it is updated in the playlist. The playlist link is available in the description box. If you don't find it, then please do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much. I'll meet you with one more lesson in the poem anta helta. Namaskara, dhanyavada. From Yashaswi Kannada Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada e-book part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Vandamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.